If you're running Google Ads and you're barely making a profit, here is the full funnel breakdown how ICON Amsterdam optimize their conversion rate to maximize the amount of profit they made from their Google Ads. In this video, I will be breaking down the conversion rate elements that are proven to work so you can simply learn from them and implement them for your own website to make more profit from your Google Ads. So without further ado, let's dive right into my screen. So there we are in my screen. Actually, I've broken down the full funnel for you and I will talk you through so you can implement everything on your own website as well. You can see the ICON Amsterdam logo and how they optimize their Google Ads for the full funnel breakdown, how they make the maximize profit. So when you go into the transparency center, that's the page that looks like this. You can actually see that Google is transparent about the ads they are running on their customers' platform. So therefore, if people click on the ICON Amsterdam ad, it will show them this kind of ads, and therefore they will be directed to the website. So in order to give you a clear overview what kind of ads they're running, I will talk you through. You can see some shopping ads, some search ads, more shopping ads, some display ads for different kind of products and different kind of collections. But the most interesting thing is actually when people click on the ad. So what you can see right here is when people are searching for different products, of course, the Google Shopping ad will show up. It will show the keywords as the product title. It will show the price. It will show the brand name and including the shipping. By Cabrio, as you can see, here's also a little trick. If you implement another CSS partner for Google Ads, you can actually get 20% discount on your Google advertising as well. But more importantly, we are here for ICON Amsterdam. So let's check their funnel back. So these are the shopping ads that they currently run on Google Ads. Here is some branded shopping campaign, what they do. So if you search for ICON or ICON Amsterdam, their branded shopping name will show up. And actually what is interesting here is that they just show the name of the website, but all side links, as it's called here, go to different collections. So here you have the exclusive collection. Here you have the bestsellers collection. Get the best fit with ICON, trousers, and new arrivals. So they always direct the people from this side links or this links actually to the collection page in order for them to make the most profit, right? Because then they can scan, for example, different trousers or new arrivals and mix and match different products instead of just directing it to one of the best-selling products. What you can see here is, of course, YouTube is a part of the Google Ads. So therefore, I'm also taking in consideration the reels we see here, or the shorts, as I would say. So shorts, including long form videos, are part of Google, aka the Google Ads platform. So when you implement things like this, you can reuse them in the Google Ads you use, but you don't need to put them on public. It's also available to put the videos on unlisted. So most of the ads, of course, you will not see on public on the channel, but it was interesting to analyze what they have prepared here. And together with their Instagram, we see here very important and nice quality shorts. So that's very good, or reels, as I would say here. And what is also important, what I didn't really see before, is when you put short videos on Google, you can also see the short videos from all different kind of sources. So you can see here from YouTube, from Instagram, from Facebook, like literally when you type ICON Amsterdam, you see their shorts from different sources. So that's very interesting because it's direct people to their website as well. But most importantly, let's go to the website, because if people click on one of the products here, for example, the jacket, then you will end up on the product page. So always when you click the product from the Google Shopping section, you will go to the product page. And this is a very important thing because on Google, you need to do your best to get the cheapest click as possible. But then it's up to you to make this click into a paying customer on your website with the best conversion rate possible. So let's have a look how ICON Amsterdam actually does this. So what you can see here, I've marked a few colors that are very important for the conversion rate, because you need social proof, you need trust, you need expertise, you need conversion rate elements, and you need average order value elements in order to make a click, a paying client and a customer to increase your return on ad spend for the Google Ads. So ICON Amsterdam, of course, did already many millions. So that's why this is a very good way to learn from them. So what you can see here on the yellow one is actually the social proof. So they have more than 500,000 satisfied customers already. And you can see the same kind of social proof here with the Trustpilot widget. Also very important to see is the trust. Like they show the model with very good pictures as well. And that's what I see sometimes people doing wrong. Actually, they take videos or photos from other sources, and those are kind of a bit blurry. So the first impression that people have is very bad. But what you can see that ICON Amsterdam really does well is that they put a clear picture of a model, so similar to their kind of customers. So people recognize the model in themselves there and would say like, okay, this jacket fits me very well. So that's the first impression that people have. And then implement some trust. So you can see unmatched value for the money, 14 days money back guarantee, and order before 11 o'clock and your order gets shipped today. You can see some trust elements in the form of payment icons and the shipping info and the 14-day easy returns as well. It really shows that they are an expert in the field. They give you all information above the fold, as we can say right here, to give you a decision if you want to buy or not. And also with the expertise, I would say the size finder, they use the Kiwi sizing app in Shopify if you would like to know that. Give you all the reasons what you need and all the information what you need to actually buy from them right from the start. And when we scroll down a little bit more, they again show their expertise in the form of multiple items that are maybe similar bought together, or like in the season, as you can see, autumn, winter 25. So they know exactly what people are buying because of all the data that they already have. So therefore they show more similar things. And also we need to take in consideration that this is a fashion website. So they need to show their expertise in the fashion, offering multiple products. So the average order value will be higher. Then when we scroll down, another like nice impression from the lifestyle image compared to like the product images here. If you're running ads and you want to optimize your conversion rate, make sure to click on the link in the description to see if we can collaborate together, squeezing out as much profit from your Google Ads strategy as possible. Make sure to also click the link if you want the document with all the conversion rate tactics that ICON Amsterdam is using, so you can send them to your developer and literally implement them for your own website to make more profit from your Google Ads. Without further ado, let's continue the video. Then we scroll down on the product page as well. You can see more expertise of also brought similar items, as you can see. Again, they show some trust in the form of like 14 days return, quick delivery. So they again promote the kind of benefits when you order from them. You can see a huge social proof here as of the Instagram that is featured here. So you can see like very well-known people like worldwide wearing the ICON brand, and you can also get featured if you tag them, right? So it's again a little social proof, and it's also like free user-generated content when people post something on Instagram and they tag ICON that they can use for their website or other placements as well. And then again, they show a few CRO elements in the footer. So if people scroll all the way to the footer, they see the relevant information about their expertise. So what kind of collections do they have on the website? A little bit about the ICON brand itself. You can see the social proof that they have a club. So you can leave your email address and be part of the club as well. You can see for the extra social proof that they implemented their socials in here. So if you were not convinced yet, you can check their socials, see nice images there from models and so on, from new products, and you get convinced going back to the website and either buy from them, right? And also again, the trust elements in the form of any payment icons. So they implemented this one on several pages that I'm going to show you as well. So in case you are convinced, you're going to buy from them, and then you click the add to cart. When you click the add to cart, you will end up on a page like this. Here they implement also some conversion rate element boosters. So what you can see here is actually the average order value booster. So if you order for more than 100 euros, you get free shipping. So if you just add one item, as you can see, for 80 euros, you don't get the free shipping as of yet. Then also for the average order value booster, they show you items that you are going more towards the 100 euros order value. So you can see the cap that they're selling right here, or some bamboo boxers to push the average order value even more. And then some very important thing here as well. So when you want to optimize your conversion rate to get the maximum profit out of your Google Ads as possible, you always need to mention only the next step in the funnel. So as you can see what they mention right here, add to cart on the product page. So they mention literally the next step. And when you are in the cart, you go check out securely. So you don't press there like order directly or something, so people think that they pay directly. If they click here, they go to the checkout, and that's what you just need to mention on the call to action here as well. So checkout securely, another trust element that you don't pay yet. You go to the checkout to implement your details and implement your shipping info. Again, the payment options you have, and again, some social proof here that they have an excellent score on Trustpilot as well. So you made the decision to buy, you go to the checkout page. So this is very important to know that they have the Shopify premium membership. So that's around like 2,000 euros or dollars per month. Otherwise, the checkout cannot be customized with the default plan. But it's very interesting to see that if you do millions, you can customize this kind of things and optimize it in the way that ICON Amsterdam did. So what you can see here is that they implemented their logo with the 500,000 happy customers and the Trustpilot stars. You can see that they implemented some conversion rate booster in terms of like 10 minutes hurry up. All sale items are otherwise selling out fast. Again, the payment icon, so you can see that your payment method is actually implemented there as well. They implemented one more time the benefit of ordering from them. So you can see express delivery and 14 days return. So in case you are not sure about your order, you know now what kind of service delivery they kind of do. Also, what is very interesting here, we scroll down, the purple element is like the CRO booster, as you can see, like add an insurance to your order, just €2.95. This is very interesting because I think at least 40 to 50% of all the people that are going to order order the shipping insurance. And actually it was already selected by default. So this gives them an extra €3 of average order value, totally free. And it's funny because as an e-commerce store owner, you're always responsible until the package is in the hands of the end customer. So if you pay this insurance or you don't have it, it's similar way, but it's just free way of earning extra money from your e-commerce store, especially if they have the Shopify premium checkout as well. And what you can see here is that they have also some upsells here. So you can go for the Jackson jeans and the classic sweater trainers. And also very interesting, what I didn't see often is that people accept payments in USDC. So most of the time people just pay with a credit card, Klarna, PayPal, ID, or whatever they are coming from, depending on the country. But this is the first time I actually see that USDC is implemented as a payment method as well. So that's very interesting that they take payments all around the way. And actually from this conversion rate optimization, from the full funnel, you can actually see the steps that are happening. They give you all information and all reasons to go to the next step in order to build trust and a relationship with you. So you have all information to add the product from the product page to the cart, go from the cart to the checkout page in order to buy from ICON Amsterdam in this case. And they also do their best to boost the conversion rate as much as possible and the average order value, because the more value you have from the order from Google Ads in this case, the higher your ROAS or your ROI, like return on investment, and the more you can spend. And even more importantly, if you can spend more money on ads than your competitor, you have the first position because Google can earn more from you. So it's like a collaboration or like a teamwork together with the customer who need to order as much as possible, together with Google in terms of a very good website and high conversion rate, and together with the ad spend you do on Google Ads. Because Google only wants that you have relevant products for their search. And of course, they will know if people buy from you after click because you install the conversion rate tracking, right? So Google knows exactly what is the order value, how much sales you're actually making, and therefore they know exactly what kind of customer avatar are buying from you. So they direct everyone that has the potential to buy from you to your website in order for them to convert, because then they know you're going to spend more on ads, right? So that's very smart. So now that you know exactly how ICON Amsterdam is optimizing their conversion rate to turn as much clicks into conversions as possible, increasing the return on ad spend, make sure to watch the recommendation video after this, where I show you exactly how you need to optimize your Google Ads account to squeeze as much profit from the Google Ads platform for your website as well. I see you there.